Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to recover a deleted Gmail account. Here I need to note that you only have a limited time to recover deleted Gmail account before it will be gone forever. Okay, so let's start recovering our deleted Gmail account. Firstly, you need to open your browser. For me, it's Safari, and then you need to type this link: accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. And click Go. Or you can search in Google account recovery. Here you need to enter your deleted Gmail address. Okay, so gmail.com, and then click Next button. And here Google will tell you if your account can be recovered. For my case, my account may be recoverable. Click Next to attempt to restore this account. So click Next button. Now you need to verify your identity by entering your password, and let me enter my password. So when you entered your password, click Next button, and I have recovered my Gmail address that's been deleted successfully. If you see this account was permanently deleted, that means sadly that your account is no longer recoverable. And here are some tips. The faster you act, the higher the chances of your recovery. And you can try using your recovery phone or recovery email, for example, if Google doesn't recognize your device. It's for just example. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave your thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.